Hi fellas. So I changed my mind. We're not going to do a tutorial on input data. Actually, we need to make a tutorial on variables. So let's start by erasing this shit. So we're going to create our first variable. So we need to tell the compiler what type of variable it will be, and then the name of the variable, and then that's it. We have made our declaration, and that's how you make a declaration for a variable. So, and we don't need to give the variable a value at first, but later on, if we want to use the variable, we're better off give it a value, else it will just be a waste of time and waste of space actually. So let's start off by writing down int, and that stands for integer, and that means whole numbers, like the basic numbers 1, 2, 3, etc., etc. So no decimals in the integer type. So we'll make a variable of type integer, and let's call it money. I like money, so why not? And now we're done. Semicolon, don't forget that. We have made our declaration for the variable money. We made it type integer, and the name is money. So we need to use the money variable. So what we will do, actually, we'll give it a value and then we'll print it out in the command prompt. Here's our command prompt. So let's start off by giving a value. So money equals 100, semicolon. So that's it. We have initialized our money variable and we gave it a value of 100. Remember, you can't use decimals because it's a type integer. We'll talk about different types later. So for now, just use int, and go ahead and write system.out.println, and go ahead and write down money. Oh, since we're not using this library, we can go ahead and erase that. That's from the last tutorial. I was a bit lazy, so I didn't write down new codes. So let's run this. Just compile it first, direct Java, and run it. You see, it typed out 100, even though we tell the program to type out money, which is equal to 100. So that's just a substitution for the value 100. The value 100 is stored in the variable money, which is of type integer, and that's just that. So let's make another variable and let's add these two variables together. So let's make the semicolon. Let's make a different value, and let's call this one plus. Okay. Plus, just plus. And under here, where we have typed out the value of the variable, just go ahead and give plus a value. Plus equals 20, and add these together. Money equals money plus. So if you're a mathematician or something like that, you will know this is ridiculous, right? Money, which is equal to 100, is equal to 100 plus 20. 100 is not equal to 120, and that's just wrong, right? But programming does not work like this. So we've written down that money will equal money plus the variable plus. So first, the compiler will do the calculation here, and then it will store it in this variable. So even though no matter what value the money has, it will always equal the thing on the right of the equal sign. So money will actually equal 120 after this calculation. If you want some proof, you can just go ahead and print out line money semicolon, save, go ahead and compile it, and then run it, and you'll see first it wrote out 100 as we told it to do here, and then we changed the value of money and it wrote out 120. Yeah, that's how Java works. It works at the top left corner and works down to the bottom. So it reads the it reads the script like this, and it continues on. So first we declared two variables, money and plus, and we initialized money to the value 100. We wrote out the value of money, and then we initialized plus, and then we initialized money to money plus plus, and then we wrote out the value of money, the new value of money. Yeah, and you can also do it with minus. If we compile it, direct.java, java direct, we'll see 180. So you can work with plus, minus, division, which is a forward slash, and also you can multiply, and then you use this asterisk sign, and yeah, you can use it. You can use a couple more things, but I'll be talking about these different operators in another tutorial. I think we're heading on our end right now, so if you guys enjoyed these tutorials that I've made, please stay tuned and just watch my upcoming ones. Thank you.